If you're building a model and the balance sheet does not balance, here are the steps that you should take before giving up. The most important thing is to have a check row, which examines the difference between the assets and the liabilities and equity. Very importantly, we can also get the difference on a year-over-year basis, and we now see that this is a constant $10, which means we have to look for that item. Similarly, if you're seeing compounding numbers or some kind of non-linear pattern in the check row, there's a very good chance that your cash calculation is the one that's off. The next easiest thing to do is check all the subtotals and make sure that everything is summing up correctly. A lot of the times when we add new rows or new items, the sum total no longer contains all of the right items. So make sure that every one of the sums and subtotals is calculating correctly. And lastly, if your balance sheet is still busted, you unfortunately have to do the hard work of F2ing through every single cell, making sure that everything lines up in the right row as well as to the right item. There's no quick way to do this. You unfortunately just need to have high attention to detail and be very patient.